when and under what circumstances do you have a right to defend yourself or your personal property in the state of Alabama?
That is a great question, because and I'm not sure I know exactly. You hear about Florida with stand your ground and things like that. What is it specifically here in Alabama?
You know, here in Alabama, number one, you can use deadly force only to protect yourself or somebody else from the illegal or improper use of deadly force against them. And by deadly force, I mean somebody that's capable of serious physical injury or death. And what Alabama has done, there used to be a requirement to retreat when you're in your house. Say if a burglar came into the house, to retreat to the furthest point to get away from that particular criminal. Now there's a stand your ground, which a lot of people hear about, that you are not required to retreat.
So I mean, if someone, and we've always heard examples of if you see a burglar on the outside of your house and you think they're coming in, you know, we used to hear all the time, you have to wait till they come in the house before you can use deadly force. You know, but if they're outside the house, you can't. But that's not necessarily true, is it?
No, and you know, you also hear a lot of people that say, you know, if you shoot him outside the house, drag him inside the house. Let me tell you, that we'll absolutely know right off the bat that you've done that. You know, the standard really is, if you have reason to believe that your life or your family's life is in danger of serious physical injury or death, then you have a definite right to protect yourself.
And
Absolutely.
I mean, it doesn't have to be just at your home. I mean, you can be anywhere, and if you feel like your life or the life of your child or spouse is in immediate danger, I mean, we're not talking about just on your property, right?
No, you're correct. I mean, any time that you're in that type of thing, you know, what we were talking about here just a minute ago was this theory that you have to let somebody come into your home or that you have to drag them into the house. The standard, the lawful standard, really is just the reasonable belief that your life or someone else's life is in threat of serious injury or death through the improper or illegal use of deadly force.